opens at 7 and we can't wait to get inside.
So this is Michelle in front of the sand dune, and just to give you some perspective how big these dunes can get, yes, that little dot and that sand. So these things are remarkable. I thought she would make quick work of it, but it's a bit of a struggle. She's still going. Yeah, that's how high these things are.
That was way harder than I thought.
And now I'm gonna get just come down because this could be just as entertaining.
She's ready.
Mind you, she's doing this with a high ankle sprain.
But I have my brace on.
How was it?
Oh my god, that was so fun.
Here we are at the start of the Alkali flat trail, which by the looks of it, there's nothing flat about it. It's roughly 5 miles, it's a loop, and it's ranked the #1 trail on all trails.
Yep.
Here we go.
So White Sands National Park is the world's largest gypsum dune field. Some of the dunes can go up to 60 feet high, which is pretty crazy. And it actually looks like snow because the sand is so white. So this doesn't look real right now. It looks fake. White Sand Dunes National Park is one of the newest national parks. It became one in 2019, and we are seriously in awe right now. The contrast of the sand with the mountains in the background is mind-blowing.
Well, we wanted cardio for today. These dunes are no joke.
My legs are gonna be feeling this tomorrow.
All I know is the sunrise is absolutely epic.
Even though this trail could be a little bit tricky because you're hiking in sand, it's relatively easy to follow. You just have to follow these red trail markers that are sticking up from the sand. No joke. I have to say, this national park has exceeded my expectations so far. I can't believe how vast it is here. It's just sand everywhere you look, and the mountains in the background are absolutely beautiful. I think it is 285 square miles or 275 square miles, but wow, it is stunning. until the day before. So check the website before you come. Make sure there's no missile testing. We lucked out today. It's the day after Christmas, and we got to the park right when it opened, and we pretty much have the trail all to ourselves right now. Check out the lions in the sand. This is incredible. I guess we can't go this way. We are 2.5 miles in, so we're about halfway done. Point of view going down the sand dune. Oh my god! Oh my god! The aftermath of sliding down a sand dune. Whew. My poor ankle brace. Oh man, look at my ankle brace.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We just hit 4 miles. We have a little under a mile to go. It is so windy. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind on the GoPro, but it is crazy. We're almost there. We can see the parking lot right in front of us.
Alright, so we're just finishing up this trail. Right now my Garmin says 4.62, give or take. 2 hours, 33 minutes.
That was with a lot of stops for pictures and videos.
A lot of stops. So now we're off to do another 3 trails.
And some sandboarding! Trail number 2, we're headed out on the Interdune Boardwalk trail.
Just starting out on this Interdune Boardwalk trail. And as you can tell, it's pretty crowded.
This trail is only 0.4 miles, so I guess that's why it's so crowded. It's pretty easy to do. We already made it to the end of the trail. This felt like a cakewalk after our last trail, but check out this view. Crazy though. Apparently there are coyotes o'clock in the morning and we're already on our 4th trail of the day. This is a quiet trail. This is another 0.4 mile trail, so it's pretty short.
So we're just finishing up the Playa Trail.
The Pliable Trail.
Pliable. That was the last trail for today. Now we get to go to the visitor center, get a saucer, if you will.
A sandboard. Woo!
It's more like a disc. It's not a board. But we're gonna hit some dunes, so.
Should be fun. I just want to point out that the license plate for our New Mexico rental car says Land of Enchantment, and I could definitely see why. We got our sandboard, we're waxing up the bottom. It's time to have a little fun.
Make sure the front. Nailed it.
Nailed it. This isn't as fun as I thought it would be.
Failure, utter failure.
2 thumbs down for sandboarding.
Alright, so after some epic sand dune sledding, I guess you could call it, failures. I don't know who thought up that idea, but we don't have that touch. Anyway, it's gotten very overcast. We were going to stick around for sunset, but because of the clouds and because we caught an amazing sunrise this morning, we've opted to leave a little early and head on to our next destination, which is Carlsbad. We're going to Carlsbad Caverns tomorrow. So for now, we're signing out.
We will see you on the next adventure.